there planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. Today's video I have for you the JMB Living Journal. This is the seasonal for fall of 2022. So if you guys want to take a look at this and a little update of the spring one that I used, then keep on watching. So hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah. I'm going to share with you this beautiful journal by Julie. This is by JMB Living. This is the fall issue of 2022. We are going to unpackage this and then I'm going to show you what I dived into in the spring issue. It comes in this beautiful canvas bag, which by the way, she stamps personally on here. And she always puts like a thank you note in here. Oh, it's so pretty. So again, this is the fall edition for 2022. I will leave a link down below for you to check her out on Instagram. She does have a YouTube channel and she always gives like cute little freebies. So it looks like we have a self-care bingo, which is really cute. So you can use some of the stickers to do a self-care bingo. How fun is this? I think this is cute. So we have cook your favorite meal, go to places you love, deep clean a space, put a fresh pair of sheets on your bed, use a journal prompt and write. Just a lot of great self-care things to do. So that is adorable. I love that. Something fun to put in your planner. So I do have a little cute note here from Julie. She's just full of life, and if you check her out on her Instagram, she gives a lot of tips on her journals and how to approach them. So that's kind of what helped me really to use the one for spring, because I really wanted to dive in deeper into something like that. I'm not always someone who's open to a lot of like reflection on myself. It just, I don't know, it takes a minute for me to dive into something like that, and I really think that this journal helped. So it's just a beautiful journal. It stands for joyful, mindful balance, and it's just like a really great intentional journal to just reflect on life and yourself. So I don't know, it's really pretty. I love the smell of it. First of all, the paper, it just smells so good. So I'm gonna set this to the side so we can flip through this journal together. Look at this front cover. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I just love looking at it on my desk. It definitely gives me those joyful vibes. I mean, I love the fall, and this is a beautiful shot on this front cover. Okay. So here's your cover page. You can put your name, your phone number, and your email there. And then down here at the bottom, it says my commitment to me. Put that down there. This paper smells so good. It's so divine. All right, so you have the season index, and it just breaks it down for you. And then she has this system that's called Annual Dreams and Seasonal Seasonal Dream Paths. And again, I will link a video down below that I watched her talk about on how to break this down from your annual dreams to your seasonal. And then I think there's another, let me just, before you get into the month. Yeah. Yes, so she breaks these down for you, and then it goes into the monthly. So this is a quarterly type of journal. So it is October, November, and December. Oh my gosh, look at the back. The back is beautiful. It does have like those twin loop rings on them, and it just turns so effortlessly. It's so pretty. I just love it. Okay. So I'll definitely link that video down below where she talks about your annual dreams. And this is something that you're taking throughout the year. So you'll have like every issue I'm assuming that you will write the same ones that you started off the year with. And then you have your seasonal dream paths. It was really helpful when she, you know, talked a little bit more about it in her life and her goals and things like that. So it was just a little helpful. So I will kind of compare the spring one to this in just a second, but I want to go ahead and flip through this. So you do have like a vision type of page, like a vision board type of a page. And then you do get like a monthly view for each month. Up at the top, you can put your intentions. She adds some other monthly elements in here, like moon phases, and then some of those national days in here. She has like a depression screening day. And then at the bottom here, she has these things called simple seasonal indulgence. So it says stomp on dry leaves or jump in a full pile. Bake pumpkin bread and delight in the aroma. Have a little bonfire and pop Jiffy popcorn. Oh, that's fun. And I just think her planner is just so pretty and simplistic. I love all the simple detail. It's not overwhelming. Definitely puts you in a nice space to just sit down and reflect and smell this beautiful paper. So yeah, there's November, then there's December. And then you have your October dream steps. And then this was really cool. I really wanted to dive into more of this. So I'm super excited about having the fall issue. I'm gonna try my best to stick to this and keep it with me at all times because I really love how this is set up. I really do. This is a habit tracker, and you kind of like fill it in with your markers and things. We have some affirmation inspiration, and then this goes into a daily portion. So you have, again, this was like in the index, and it breaks it down for you. Here in the front, the seasons index. So week 1 is transition, and it has like this mindful moment challenge here for you to read. And then you have your reflections, my week. So it goes into like this daily portion of the month. And then it goes into like these articles that you can read. It's just a great quiet time planner. And then you have a portion to journal. And so here's week 2. It says release and another mindful moment challenge. You do get some quotes throughout the pages, again, with some beautiful articles that you can read. And some of these creators that she showcase, I have looked up before, and you can follow them on Instagram for more inspiration if you love what they're sharing. This is beautiful. I love the photography in this journal for sure. A lot of inspirational womanhood is what I love about this too as well. So then you have November and the tracking, and then it goes into the daily. And so like week 5 says forgiveness. So I'm kind of just roughly flipping through this with you guys, giving you an idea. So hopefully you have heard about JMB Living and their more of their mindful journey to more intentional self-care type of thing. This is nice. I just can't wait to start reading some of the articles in here. Oh, look how cute this is. I love kitties. I am definitely a cat mama. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So So it's definitely got like that magazine feel as well. You also get some recipes in here. Thai coconut curry, butternut squash soup. I bet my daughter or husband would love that. They are definitely Thai fans. Here's the chef, a little bit about her. I love the like beautiful added like trim on here is what I want to call it, because it's just so beautiful and delicate like throughout the planner. It's just so pretty. The aesthetic is lovely. And then it says my collection of notes and ideas and inspiration. Oh, there's like a reflect. At the end of each month, there's like a reflection page. So here's December, and I love that she just sticks to one color palette. Super pretty. Yes, it's just this planner. This planner slash journal is just so beautiful. I love it. Super pretty. I'm just gonna flip to the end of this journal here. Ooh, look at this. This is a coloring page. I love that. Again, I like that this is, you know, quarterly, so you can use it when you can. I definitely did. I tried to take some time to really dive into it, and I really did in the springtime as much as I could, but I really, I think this time of year is when I like to set more time for myself, and so I can't wait to start this. So pretty. Look at the back. It's a little quote from Julie. I love that. Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to talk about the spring one here that I had a chance to use. I do have video on the spring edition, and it was beautiful as well, and I did get a chance to use some of this. And how I approach this, so for my annual dreams, of course I started this in the spring, and I do have, I think, the winter one. So it has like spiritual, abundance, growth, relationships, health, and fun. So for spiritual, I put join a church and grow my faith, which we did. And we're still going today. And then abundance, I put memories with the girls. It's just, it could be anything. You know, what do you want to have abundance of? ... So, and then I put dates with my husband. Growth, I wanted to grow, you know, my brand or myself, and I just put, you know, creating with Sarah. And then relationships, I put a better bond with my siblings, talk to my parents more. Health, I put lose weight and body fat. And then for fun, travel and Disney days. And I didn't break it down here, but, and I read a lot of this too. I like the fact that I could just read this. This was someone that I read, and I highlighted her Instagram and looked her up for some more inspiration. I'm trying to get to a page where I used this and how I approached it. Okay, so how I approached it with, I didn't use like stickers or anything like that. This was just more of like, you know, me time and just journaling. And I used a lot of my mild liners, and I just stuck to a color. So I think that's how I was, you know, approaching this, and just using some of my highlighters, and it was really great actually. And right here you would put your week, things that you want to focus on, and then it said how I'll have fun this week, and I put scrapbooking. One thing I can say no to this week, I put fast food. And I think one of these I changed though. Let me show you. Okay, so I think it's the affirmations. Yeah. So on the daily portion, it has, today I feel grateful for how my day is going. You can journal here, and it says today's affirmations. I actually wiped that out and I put verses of the day. So I could, since this has lines, so I could write more about the verse or what stood out to me more about that verse of the day instead of just using affirmations, because I tend to do more verses of the day, or that reflects more on me than affirmations. And then this says, one thing I can do today to move forward, creating my dreams. Today's commitment to self-care, my best win, beauty I noticed, what gave me joy. So those were things that I was practicing every day, and I really like that. It was just this is a great starter for someone who's, if you're like me and you don't really dive into those types of reflections. I think these simple practices really do help. And then you can just definitely white it out if you need to rephrase it in a different way. I think that would help as well. But I don't know, it was just a great, like, your own little therapist journal. I really did love it, and so I'm happy to continue it. Thank you to Julie for sending this over so I could, reflect back in it. But I love the idea of approaching it with just your favorite colored pens, your favorite mile liners. If you wanted to do a key over here, you could totally do that, but it was just a great time for me to grab my favorite pens and sit down and grab my journal out. I was really excited when I had this with me and I was using it. So it's a really great journal. Highly recommend it. It's one of those wellness planners that you don't really come across. There's not a whole lot out there, but I really, really enjoy this one. So if you guys want to check it out, I will put a link down below. I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that, but she may have one on her Instagram, so definitely check that in her bio link. But this is the fall journal of 2022. I will try my best to do maybe some plans with me or updates on this, but if you're looking for a self-care type of journal, I would highly recommend this one. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.